You're good at multitasking, but that can bring multi-headaches. So let us help with some single tasking. We're Motili, a technology platform and turnkey HVAC and hot water asset management and service company. Our proprietary dashboard provides a detailed 360-degree view of all your HVAC and hot water assets. With our nationwide distribution network and contractor network, our scalable solutions can handle projects of any size, no matter if they're planned maintenance calls or unplanned emergencies. Whether you're a single-family investor, a multifamily or commercial property owner and operator, or a home warranty company, we've got you covered with more simplicity, savings, and strategic insights. Here's how. We're your single point of contact throughout the life of all HVAC and hot water jobs. We offer you time-saving options like automated scheduling. And at the end, we're your single point of contact for billing. Our direct relationships with contractors, distributors, and manufacturers saves you time and money. We also keep you informed on regional labor costs and help you to improve operational income. We collect HVAC and hot water unit data to provide you with a 360-degree picture of your HVAC and hot water assets. This allows you to be better at budgeting, as well as planning for future repairs and replacements. All together, it's single-tasking, multi-problem solving that'll keep you and your bottom line happy.